In this video, I will show you how to fix Nintendo Switch not turning on, how to fix Nintendo block screen. Before you start, you will need your Nintendo Switch system, Nintendo Switch AC adapter, and access to power outlet. So remove your Nintendo Switch system from the dock when completing the following troubleshooting steps. What you need to do is to unplug the AC adapter from both the wall and dock, and then leave unplugged for 30 seconds. To reset the AC adapter, hold down the power button on the console for 20 seconds and then release the power button. This performs a forced shutdown on the console. Now plug the AC adapter back into the outlet, then into the console. Press the power button once and the console should turn back on. If the situation is still not resolved, if the issue is the battery charge indicator is displayed on the block screen, what you can do is to charge the console for at least 15 to 30 minutes with an undamaged Nintendo Switch AC adapter, and then press the power button to turn it on. Confirm that the console has the latest system update installed. Now, if the issue is no charging indicator on a black screen, what you can do is to unplug the AC adapter from your console, plug the AC adapter into another Nintendo product that uses USB-C, and then check to see if the other device charges. If testing on a dock, you may see the power light turn on for a moment when first plugging it in. And that's basically how you can fix Nintendo Switch not turning on, how to fix Nintendo block screen. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to keep updated with our latest videos.